So I recently created a playbook that takes anyone from knowing absolutely nothing about graphic designs to creating world-class designs in less than 20 minutes. And I want to test it on my roommate. Watch this. Alpha,
I'm fine.
do you know anything about graphic design?
No.
Okay, so I would show you how to do this in less than 20 minutes.
So first off, I asked him to create a Happy New Month flyer with AI ChatGPT based on his current understanding of how AI works. And then he went ahead to ChatGPT, typed his prompt, and sent it to AI and came out with a design that made me reconsider if I should still do this thing because I was actually impressed by his basic understanding of ChatGPT.
Awesome design. And honestly, I'm thinking, is there really any need to even show him what I'm about to show him? Because these designs are looking awesome already.
But me being me, I'm definitely not going to quit, and I know the value of what I offer. So I still went ahead and directed him. So step one, I told him to go to Pinterest and look for a good design, any design that catches his attention that he can call a world-class design. So he went to Pinterest, got the design, and asked him to download it. After he downloaded it, asked him to upload that same design to ChatGPT and use a simple prompt asking ChatGPT to analyze the design and tell him what tell him basically anything it can about the design. So ChatGPT went ahead with that design, said a lot of things, and then I gave him another prompt and say, based on these things you have told me, now I want to create a Happy New Month flyer for my business, and then give me a prompt to create this design. So after he typed that, ChatGPT created a prompt. So I then asked him to copy that prompt that ChatGPT has given to him to a new chat and paste that prompt. And from that prompt, he was able to create a world-class design. And this was
So let's
his
see if there
response.
will be any difference between this design and the first. Wow. So guys, what can you say between this design and the first? Does this look like an AI design?
World class.
Believe me when I tell you something. All right.
Here's what Celestine had to say after he was wowed by what he could now do.
Okay, I would say the design is very, very nice. World class indeed. Um, it was more than expected. Not looking like an AI design, but looking like a design that was made by a world class designer.
How many seconds, or how many minutes, or how many hours did it take you?
Okay, it took me just few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. I was done preparing or making and doing the design. I will say thank you to my my chief here for bringing that information to me, and also as many who are listening or watching this video, please key in to this and learn how to make this wonderful design in a short period of time. Thank you very much.
Okay, bro.
You've seen how my roommates went from not knowing anything about design to creating world-class graphic design for a hospital all in less than 10 minutes. This can be you too.